These bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow.
Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another banger video. So today's video is gonna be making some Liberian donuts. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned. These are the recipe we're gonna be using and more. The first thing I'm gonna be doing is putting some warm water in the bowl. Now I'm about to add some milk to the warm water, but before you add the milk to the warm water, make sure to put the milk in the microwave for at least 30 seconds. Put it in the microwave for at least 30 seconds or less and take it out and put it on the warm water. Now I'm about to add 3 tablespoons to the milk and the water. After you're done adding the sugar, you should also add the egg and the butter. But I forgot to add egg and butter, so yeah, but this is where you add the egg and butter. Now you're gonna cover it up and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil or any aqua oil. So yeah, you don't have to use the measuring stuff, teaspoon, any of that. If you want to, and if you have that, you can use it though. Now I'm gonna add nutmeg to the milk because I didn't have vanilla extra. So, but if you have that, you can use that instead of nutmeg. Now you're gonna add as much flour as you want to the liquid. If you want for your donuts to be a lot, you're gonna add a lot of flour. If you want for your donut to be little, you're gonna add little flour. After you're done adding the flour, you're gonna take a spoon, any kind of spoon, to mix the liquid and the flour well so that it can just mix. Now you're gonna dump the flour on something and start to mold so that it can just mix good and yeah, and be smooth. After you're done molding the flour, you're gonna put it in a bowl and cover it up so that it can rise. Now you can take it out of the bowl and put it back on the place it were, and now you can start cutting it. Keep repeating the same step until you're done twisting everything. I'll be back when I'm done twisting everything. Okay, so now I am done twisting everything and everything is good and ready for frying. So yeah, now we're gonna be putting some oil in the pot so we can fry the donuts. So this is the final, and I think it came out pretty good. But also make sure to add baking powder, because I forgot to add baking powder. Make sure you add baking powder to the dried dough so that it can be soft. but it looks good. I did really good. This is not my first time making donuts, so make sure to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Bye, lovelies.
But what you give me is nothing.